Elaboration involves explaining and describing ideas with many details. You can make connections between the ideas you are trying to learn and connect the information to your own experiences, memories, and everyday life.
You'll hear the word elaboration used in many different ways. In this video, we're focusing on elaborative interrogation, which is a specific method of elaboration.
The word interrogation means to question, so when you use elaborative interrogation, you ask yourself questions about how and why things work and produce the answers to those questions.
The specific questions you ask yourself will depend in part on the topics you're studying. Let's say you're studying World War II and the Pearl Harbor attacks. You could ask yourself, how did this attack happen? Why did it happen? What were the results of this attack? Why was it important? There are so many different ways you can explain this historic event and add elaborative details. Just make sure you're actually answering the questions as you're asking them.
As you elaborate, make connections between ideas and explain how they work together. Take two ideas and explain how they are similar and how they are different. The more you think through an idea, the better off you'll be when it comes time to take the exam or apply the information in your real life. For example, how were the two world wars similar? What countries were involved in both? How are they different? What weapons were used in one but not the other? How were the conflicts resolved differently? What implications does this have today?
When you're first starting out, you can look in your class materials for the answers to your questions. But the goal is to work your way up to asking yourself questions and answering them without your class materials in front of you. By doing this, you'll be combining elaborative interrogation with retrieval practice.